Hi friends, welcome to Car Owner Reviews. Today we are going to see how to fix minor scratches from this to this. How is it looking? Good, right? Before we start, we need to know that we should have two products to do this. One is the polish and another one is the rubbing compound. And of course, we should have a good microfiber towel. To start with the process, clean the area really well with the water first. Then remove the excess water. Little moisture should be there. Now the main part comes. We have to apply the rubbing compound on the areas where you see the scratches. Do it in a circular motion for better results. Apply a little more on the places where you see bigger scratches. After 3 minutes, buff it off really well. Take the polish on a wet cloth like this and apply the same in circular motion. And finally, buff it off really well. And here it is, the final result. How cool is that? All the minor scratches are gone, only the hard big scratches remains. So friends, if you like this video, please click like and share to your friends and also subscribe to our channel.